7 ways to boost your website rankings and reap the rewards. In today's short video, I want to discuss this article we published on our website, where we show you how to research and implement the most relevant keywords, because you just don't want your appliance repair website showing up for just any keywords, right? You don't want it to show up for parts if you don't sell parts, or you don't want it to show up for commercial appliance repair if you don't work on commercial appliances. So we show you how to research the proper keywords that will bring you relevant customers in your local service area that need appliance repair. We show you how to use those keywords, and then we show you how to track the success of the keywords. So where's your website showing up in Google when a local consumer types in that particular keyword? We also discuss proximity, which is how close your appliance repair or AC repair company is to a consumer, because that's one of the main things Google are focusing on now. Whenever a consumer searches for appliance repair, they want to deliver to them or show them the closest appliance repair company. We show you how to create content that are both high quality and that also have a local focus. Getting found on Google Maps. If you don't already have a Google Map listing, you should go ahead and sign up for one today, because you're missing out on a lot of customers. Then we show you how to set up your Google My Business listing, how to optimize it once you have it set up, which is optimization is how to get it towards the top of Google Maps. We also discuss how to stand out from your competitors, how to develop a review strategy, because reviews are one of the #1 ways to stand out from your competitors. So how to get reviews, how to respond to reviews, and the importance of responding to both negative and positive. How to improve page load speed, which is how fast your website is loading when someone types appliance repair in your local service area. If it's not loading between 3 to 5 seconds, then a consumer is just going to move on to the next website. We also show you how to build quality local links, because links are the most powerful way to get your website on the first page of Google. And then finally, how consumers can find you online. So check out this article. There's a link below this video that takes you right over to the website. Hope you found this information useful. This is Marlon with the Appliance Experts, and I'll talk to you soon.